In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an Audible gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to choose the right membership length, personalize the gift, and complete your purchase with confidence, all in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and head to the Audible Gift Center. This is the dedicated page where Audible sells gift memberships. You'll see clear options and descriptions so you know you're in the right place before moving on. Next, choose the type of gift you want to send. Audible offers gift memberships in 4 lengths: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. Think about how often the recipient listens. A 1 month plan is a quick, thoughtful surprise, while 3 or 6 months are great for steady listeners. A 12-month plan is perfect for someone who wants a full year of audiobooks and membership perks. Now click the gift button to begin. This is where you confirm the membership plan you want to send. Make sure the duration you select matches your intention, and glance at the price so there are no surprises at checkout. Enter the recipient's details. Type their name, their email address, and, if you'd like, add a short personal message to make it feel special. Keep the message clear and friendly, and double-check the email address so the gift lands in the right inbox on the first try. Pick a gift card design. Audible provides different card or theme styles to match the occasion. Choose one that suits the recipient's taste or the reason you're gifting, and make sure the preview looks the way you want. When you're ready to pay, select your payment method. Audible accepts Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. Enter your billing information carefully and confirm that the total reflects the gift length you chose. If there's a summary on the page, review it to ensure everything is accurate. To complete your purchase, click Buy Now. Give the page a moment to process. You should see a confirmation on screen once the order goes through. After that, the gift is sent. The recipient will receive an email with their Audible gift membership details. They can redeem the Audible membership online by following the link in that message and activating it on their account. That's it. Your gift is delivered, and they're ready to start listening. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, follow along next time for more quick guides that make digital gifting simple and stress-free.